How to hide your followers on Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can hide followers on Facebook, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you want to hide your followers on Facebook, all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure to just launch your Facebook application here. And once you launch your Facebook app, you're going to be able to see this type of interface where if you'd like to hide your followers, make sure to tap the three lines option from the top right of the screen. Once you tap the three lines option from the top right, just tap the gear icon that you can find here. And once you tap the gear icon over here, you should be able to see all this, where what you want to do is just go to the option called followers and public content and make sure to tap on it. Once you tap on followers and public content, here you can see who can see your followers on your timeline. Select only me, and this way no one will be able to view your followers, but I will just leave it for public because I don't really want to change it. So this way you'll be able to hide your followers on Facebook. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.